How to create boomerang video in Snapchat. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to open our Snapchat application. Now in here we can see our camera or lens, which means add to story. Okay, so now let's take a picture of something. So for example, this one. Okay. Oh, all right. So simply click on this loop icon in the right hand side of our screen here in the lowermost part, and that's the loop. Now simply click on next and save it to your story, for example. Alright, so now let's take a look at our story. Alright, so that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.